How to fix Shein suspended account. Understanding the suspension. Your Shein account might be suspended due to rule violations like posting inappropriate content, spamming, or suspicious activities. Unsuspending the account. Log into your suspended Shein account via Shein's official support website. Find the support option and click on File an Appeal or Contact Us under Suspended Accounts. Draft a polite appeal stating your case, acknowledging any mistakes made and providing context or proof if possible. Submit the appeal and wait patiently for a response. The support team might take time to review your appeal, so be patient. Avoid sending multiple appeals as it could slow down the process. Secondary appeal. If your first appeal is unsuccessful, consider appealing again, emphasizing your commitment to follow the rules and improve as a customer. Be detailed and include all relevant information to support your case. Final solution. If all appeals fail, request Shein to delete your data as per GDPR rights. Uninstall the Shein app, clear cache, and use a different phone number and email to create a new account. Use a VPN for a clean IP address and maintain clean transactions to avoid future suspensions. Preventing future suspension. Read and adhere to Shein's community guidelines. Keep an eye on your account for any suspicious activity or potential hacking attempts. Ensure transparent and clean transactions and interactions with Shein's support team. This guide should help resolve a suspended Shein account and outline steps to prevent future suspensions. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.